What's up, Motorbeats? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like. So let's get this video started. So today's video is going to be about how you can purchase affordable and very inexpensive and actually pretty good handlebar bags for your T-bars or whatever kind of handlebars you have. I purchased these handlebar bags from Amazon. So I'll blend in the name. Let me show you how they look like and let's take it from there. All right, let's open up and get these bad boys out of here. Alright. So this is how they look like. Let me unpack them and then we're gonna quickly install them. So this video is not gonna be really long or huge or anything. This is just like a quick informative video for people out there who wants to purchase handlebar bags and they are not willing to spend like $50 for like same size of bags. So let's check it out. All right, so they come in two, one larger and one smaller bag. So let's take a look at the bigger one. So this is how it looks like from the back. You can open that up, both of them. If you want, you can add Velcro into it and to tighten it, secure it differently, but I actually try them out and it seems like they fit like actually pretty well without any additional stuff on my T-bars, on my drag bars. So there you go. You can add some more Velcro if you want to, like, you know, add some stuff to it. So let's open them up. All right, let's look inside. So as you can see, it's pretty spacious. I mean, my whole arm fits in there, so you can actually easily put a bottle of water in there. You can add some little snacks, some, I don't know, so I might use it to, I don't know, if I have anything to charge, like my camera or batteries or phone, I can leave it in there and actually charge from the USB port, so it's not going to be too far away and secure on the fly. So there's a lot of benefits to it. Let's take a look on it. So there we go. You have a spot here, a little spot here. That's it. I mean, there's nothing complicated to it, nothing fancy. It is really practical and it seems like it's very heavy duty fabric, so it's not gonna go bad easy. So let's look at the smaller one. There we go. Look at this with the American flag on it. So same thing with this one. You can like I'll probably attach it like on the other side or like here sideways, or maybe even like that. I mean, maybe on the other side. Definitely we're gonna make up my mind very soon. So let me install them and I'll show you how that looks like. All right, as you can see, I already placed them where I want to have them. So I actually just add them to my T-bars, and they're not gonna, if there's anything in there, they're not gonna go anywhere, you know. And if you're not too sure about it, you can add additional Velcro and tie to the bars down. So now I was thinking like what I'm gonna do with the second one. So I was thinking maybe like sideways, or maybe the same way I put these bars on, or just the other way around, or maybe even like all the way here on the side like this. Maybe like this, you know. I think I'll probably go for something like that. Yeah, that would probably come out pretty well, you know. And yeah, this is probably very. Let's do this. Hold on. Okay, it seems like it's not gonna reach sideways enough. So what can we do? What can we do? Let me find a solution for this, and then I'm gonna check back with you guys. All right. So what I did is actually I just like attached them to these little hooks in here of the other bag. Now, so it's gonna be loose like this, but what I'm gonna do right now, or what I'm gonna do very soon, is gonna either like zip tie them to the bar, you know, that won't be moving, and same to the other side. And maybe instead of zip ties, maybe even just use Velcros. So this is how it looks like. Let's take a look at it. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think, how that looks like, and I will let you know. I will put also a link in the description how much these bags cost me, and you can definitely purchase them from Amazon. They're very inexpensive. I think they're called like Molle bags, Molle bags. So yeah, definitely you can attach a few little things to it. So I did end up going with zip ties. As you can see, they're totally snug. Same thing on the other side here. So I zip tie them. So that's it, man. Very simple and straightforward. Very practical, very handy. I can highly recommend it to everyone who's in the market for handlebar bags to carry a little bit, you know, small snacks, items you need for the trip, for the ride. You can even keep your phone in there, and then, you know, as you can see, the charger's right there. I mean, I already have a phone mount, so that's unnecessary, but like if I want to charge something else like GoPro batteries or anything, you know, you can do it right on the fly. So good job. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll catch you on the next one.